Sa sale and leaseback class, ang tinatanong lang dito, 5. Okay? So, 5 tanong. Ano ang tinatanong dito? Ang tinatanong dyan, 1 is the, ito. Dito ko lagay. Ang tinatanong dyan, ito. Ano yan? The cost of ARWA, the right retained by the lessee, right transferred to the buyer lessor. Ulitin natin. Naka-shortcut pala. Cost of ARWA, right retained by the seller lessee. Seller lessee. Yan. Okay, or the lease liability. Another term for that right returned by the seller lessee is the lease liability. Right transferred to the buyer lessor. Okay? Buyer lessor. Wait, nawala ako. Ayun. Right transfer to the buyer lessor. Mabilis lang to last. May template to. Lessor. Okay? Gain to be recognized, gain not recognized, and that is the total gain. Okay? Provided that there is a sale. Paano yan? Kung nahihirapan ka dito, ito lang ang technique dyan. Again, you will not see this in any other references. Alam ko maraming nahihirapan dito eh. Okay? Pag sale and leaseback na yung tanong, hirap nang magsagot. Kasi nga, kung babasahin mo yung mga references, talagang mahihirapan. I was once a student, alam ko yan. Okay? Kung gaano ka hirap ito. Let's go to case B. Okay? So dito kasi, dependent to sa case A. Bakit ko inuuna si case B? Kasi si case A, sabi niya, but did not satisfy the requirements of IFRS 15. Ibig sabihin, walang sale. Okay? Dito tayo. Case B. Basahin muna natin yung default scenario. Okay? Apple companies and equipment acquired 3 years ago at a cost of 1 million with a total life of 10 years. Kapit lang. Okay? On January 1, 2023, the Apple company entered into an exchange transaction. Okay? With Orange Company to transfer the equipment but did not satisfy the requirements of IFRS 15, meaning walang sale. The transfer proceeds amounting to 850,000, while the annual rent payable at the end of each year amounts to 140,000. Okay. The annual rent is 140,000. Ang bentahan ay 850,000. And the incremental borrowing rate is 10%. Let's now go to case B. Si case A, madali lang yan. Mamaya, huli yan. Okay, sa case B tayo. Ang case B natin, ang sabi niya, using the same scenario in case A. Okay? That the exchange transaction entered into a sale. May sale transaction na. Kaya mabubuo na yung sale and leaseback mo. Paano mabubuo yon? Una, dapat may sale. Pangalawa, may lease agreement. Kaya nga sale and leaseback. Dapat makumpleto yung dalawang yon na may sale at merong lease agreement. The lease agreement refers to the leasing back of the property by the seller lessee. Okay? From the buyer lessor. Okay. Satisfy the requirements of IFRS 15 and immediately lease back the said property for the remaining life of the property on the same date and assume that the proceeds are at fair value. Okay. Sasagutin natin itong 5 tanong na to using this matrix. What is your step number 1? Your step number 1 here, you must compare first the fair value and the selling price. Okay? This is the fair value and the selling price. Okay? So the fair value here, sabi niya, the same as the transfer proceeds. The transfer proceeds is 850,000. The selling price is 850,000. So, the same as the fair value. So, this is 850,000. Okay? Game. So, meaning, ito yung tinatawag kong adjustment. So, the adjustment would be 0. Wala. Okay? Walang adjustment dyan. Okay? After doing that, this is what you do. Okay? So, this would be the column, the row for retained. Okay? This would be the column for, or the row for transferred. Okay? This would be the column for the selling price. Okay? Selling price. Okay. So, ano lang yan, palatandaan mo na dapat yan naka-barrier. Paano ba mag-bar dito. Yan. Okay? Basta itong row na to, retain transferred selling price. Okay. You will start now. You will start now with the present value of the lease payments. And this is now the selling price. Okay? The present value of the lease payments and the selling price here, okay, subject to adjustment. Lagay ko to dito, adjustment. 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 Saan manggagaling adjustment? Manggagaling siya dito. Okay? So, let's compute here. What is the present value here? So, the lease payments here is only the 400,000. Di ba? Ay 140,000 pala. Nakita yon? This is 140,000. Isang beses lang natin gagawin tong template na to. Mag-a-apply na yan sa mga susunod. Okay. So this is now 140,000. The selling price here is 850,000. Okay? Yan. Let's get the present value of these lease payments. Can you please compute for the present value factor of an ordinary annuity? Kailan ba? Annual rental payments, end of each year. Can you please compute for the present value of an ordinary annuity at 10%? What is the number of lease term? Okay? The number of lease term, sabi niya, 10 taon ang life. Kinuha 3 years ago. Okay? Tapos, papasok sa kontrata, sabi niya, remaining life and said property for the remaining life of the property. So, ibig sabihin, 10 ang buhay, naubos na yung 3, 7 na lang ang remaining life ng property. Okay, can you please compute now for the present value factor of an ordinary annuity at 10% and is equal to 7? 4 decimal places lang siguro. Okay? Magkano yan? What is the factor? 4 decimal places para mabilis lang tayo. So that is 4.86. Thank you. So this is the present value factor. Ano na yun? Wait, nawala ako. So that is, copy na lang ako dito. 4.8684. Wala tayong problema dyan. Bakit 7? 10 years? 3 years ago, 7 na lang. At sabi niya, the lease said property is to be leased back for the remaining life. Okay. So, okay. So this is 140,000 times 4.84. Okay? Hindi yan yung adjusted. Yan. Ito yon. So this remains at 850,000. Okay? Ito yung adjustment. Adjustment galing doon sa dito. 0. So this is 0. This is 0. Okay? Then this would now be the adjusted amount. Adjusted amount. Okay? What is the adjusted amount? Di pareho pa rin sila. So that is 681 and 850. Okay? Then extract. Squeeze mo to. That is 850,000 minus 681,576. Okay? So 168. This is what you call the right transferred. Oh, yan, no? Transferred. Oh. Okay. Next. Kailangan kunin mo yung ratio and proportion nito para makuha mo yung corresponding allocation sa carrying value. Okay. Ang tanong, magkano ba ang carrying value ng property? Ang carrying value ng property, ang sinabi niya ay 1 million daw siya dati, 3 years ago. Okay? Naubos na yung 3 taon. 1 million siya dati 10 years ago. Naubos na yung 3 taon. So magkano carrying value niyan? If the problem is silent, you are using what? The straight line method of depreciation. Okay. So you have a cost of 1 million and you have the accumulated depreciation and this is the carrying value. Ito sinasabi natin. Carrying value. So, ano yung accumulated depreciation mo? That is 1 million divided by 10 years times 3 years. So, this is 300,000. So, meaning the accumulated depreciation is 300,000. Therefore, the carrying value is 700,000. Okay? Okay. Ito, sundan mo to kung paano gagawin. Hindi na natin gagamitin yung mga allocation rates. Ganito class. Okay? This is the column for your carrying value. Okay? The carrying value is 700,000. Okay? O calcu. 700,000 divided by 850 times 681,576. Oh, what is the amount? 700,000 divided by 850,000 times 681,586. Ito yung value nun. So this is 700,000 divided by 850,000 times 681,576. Okay. So you should be getting this amount. 561,297.88. Okay. Then squeeze mo to. That is 700,000 minus 561,298. Okay? Okay na. Now, get the difference. So, 681 minus 561. Then, get the difference also here. Okay? So, yan yon. Ito, ililabel ko na. Cut, paste. Okay. Number 1 question. Sayang. Basta ganyan. Dito natin ilagay. Number 1 question. What is the, let's label this first. This is what you call the total gain. Total gain. This is what you call the unrecognized. The gain to be recognized. So, recognized gain. Recognized gain. And this is what you call the unrecognized gain. Unrecognized. Recognized. Okay? Gain. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, what is the total gain? Ito sagot, 150,000. What is the gain not recognized? So, the unrecognized gain is 120,000. What is the gain recognized or transferred? The answer is 29,721. Okay? Let's now go to the next one. What is, sir, the cost of the ARWA? The cost of the ARWA is your 561,297. Ayan. That is the cost of ARWA. What is the right transferred? Ano ba to? Transfer. Right retained. Ito, di ba? Column for the right retained ito. Okay? Column for the right retained. So this is how much? That is 681,576. Okay? What is the right transferred? Ito, di ba yan? That is the raw for transferred. So ito yun, 168,424. Ulitin natin. Step 1, compare the fair value and the selling price. Adjustment. Okay? Present value, lease payments, the right transferred, and the selling price. Ito class, kahit wala ito. Okay? Gusto ko lang sabihin sa iyo that this is the row for retained, this is the row for transferred. Para pag in-account mo, what is the right retained by the seller lessee, alam mo na ito yon. Okay? What is the right transferred by the buyer lessor, transferred, alam mong ito yon. Okay? Ganon. Okay? So, compare, then derive this. Ito, madali lang to. Okay? Then adjustment, adjusted amount. O dito mo siya tingnan. 700 divided by 850 times this. Pag nakuha mo yun, extract mo, makukuha mo to. Then, subtraction. This is just the difference. Kuha mo na lahat ng sagot sa sale and leaseback. Total gain, recognized gain, unrecognized gain. Let's do item C. Okay? So, item C natin is this. Kopyahin ko na to. Okay. Sa item C natin, class, ano sabi? Ang item C natin, sabi niya, use the same scenario in case B, but the fair value is 750. Okay? So, ito, magiging 750 na lang. 750,000. Magkakaroon ka ngayon ng adjustment. Okay? Magkano adjustment mo? 100,000. Kung ano ang lumabas na adjustment dito, ito yon. Okay? So magkakaroon ka ng adjustment dito na 100,000 minus 100,000 and this is minus 100,000. Okay? So ito na siya. So this would now be 681 minus the negative 100,000. That is the adjusted amount. And this is now 850,000 minus the 100,000 and this is what you call adjusted amount. O diyan na rin yun. So this is 581, 750, ini-squeeze to. Okay? Then ganun ulit, 700,000 divided by 750 times this. Okay? So makukuha mo to. I-squeeze mo yan kasi ang total dapat yan ay 700. O yan na. Then get the difference. Then kuha mo na naman yung lahat ng sagot dito. Okay? Ano lahat ng sagot? Saan ba natin pwedeng maganda ilagay ito? Yan. So the cost of the ARWA, dito ko na lang, no? The cost of the ARWA is what? Ito yon, yung carrying value. Nasa taas. What is the right transferred, retained by the seller lessee? Ito yun, no? Retained by the seller lessee. What is the right transferred to the buyer lessor? Ito yun, no? 168. What is the gain recognized? That is 11. What is the gain not recognized? That is 38. What is the total gain? That is 50. Yun lahat ang tinatanong sa sale and leaseback. Okay? Walang template na ganito sa mga libro, kaya kailangan mo to. Okay? Let's now move to item D. Mabilis na kasi may template na eh. Item D. Okay. Ito naman. Assume that the fair value of the equipment is 900,000. Ito yon. So papalitan mo lang to 900,000. Okay? So there is now a difference. Tawag dyan prepayments. Pag positive prepayments yan. Pag negative additional financing. So magkakaroon lang siya ng adjustment dito. 657, madadagdagan siya ng 50. Okay? Ito naman, 850, madadagdagan 50. So this is, yun. 900 minus 731, 168. Ito 700, that is the carrying value. To get this, that is 700 divided by 900 times this, you get this. Okay? So that is 700 divided by 900 times this. That is the amount here. Then squeeze the 130 to complete the 700. Then get the difference. Then compute again for the requirements. Okay? So these are the requirements. The cost of the ARWA, ayan, yung sa carrying value. Ito kasi yung asset column mo eh. Yan yung ARWA mo. Right retained, ito yung row na yan. Parang di ka malito, yun yun. The right retained is 731. The right transferred, 168. The right gain recognized ba yan? Oo, 37. The gain not recognized, 162. The total gain is 200,000. Okay? So let's now go to the last item, case E. But this time, this is now a loss. Loss ito, okay? Pero pwede dyan, unrecognized loss, recognized loss. I want you now to do this. Okay? Siyempre, pag pinalitan ko to gugulo eh. Okay? Ganito siya. Assume. Case E, this will be yours. And these are the requirements. This should be labeled as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? The last item to be solved for the day. Okay? So, ang sabi niya dito, using the same scenario in case B, but the fair value and the sales price are both 500,000. I-guide kita. Step 1, fair value. Okay? Selling price. Okay? Sabi niya, both 500,000. So, this is 500,000. 500,000. Okay? Yan siya. Both 500,000 daw. So, the adjustment is 0. Kasi wala naman silang difference. Okay? Minus this. Game. However, the annual rental payments is 100,000. So, diretso ko na dito. You know that this is the row for retained. You know that this is the row for transferred. Okay? Hindi ka magkakamali dyan kasi naka-alphabetical yan eh. FS. Mauna F sa S. Retained. Mauna ang R sa T. Okay? Yan. So this is now the PL present value of the lease payments. And this is now the right transferred. And this is now the selling price. Okay? The selling price. Okay? Present value, lease payments, right transferred, selling price. So this is what? 100,000. Okay? This is 100,000. And this is what? Ito rin. Kasi wala naman na bago sa factor eh. So 4.84. Okay? So ito ay i-multiply mo dito. Okay? To get the present value here. So that is 100,000 times 4.84, 86. Okay? The selling price is how much? That is 500,000. Okay? Nandyan siya. So meron tayong column for adjustment. Kahit wala namang adjustment dito. Kasi pareho ang selling tsaka fair value. So this is 0 and this is 0. And these are now your adjusted amount. Adjusted amount here, ito. Okay? So that remains at 484 and 500,000. From here, extract the items required. How much is the cost of Ottawa? How much is the right transferred? And how much is the gain recognized and the unrecognized gain? Okay? Your time starts now. So just label this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? The carrying value remains the same, amounting to 700,000. Okay? And this is now the column for difference. Yan. Game, tuloy mo. Para mayroon ka ng kumpiyansa sa sale and leaseback. Let's complete the table. So the difference here is 500,000 minus 486. And this is now what? 13,160. Okay? So that is 13,160. Using the 4 decimal places. Okay? So let's proceed. So this should be 700,000 divided by 500,000 times 486, 840. So this is 681,576. And let's squeeze this. 700 minus 681,576. Then get the difference. So this is a loss. 484 minus 681. Okay. Then we have here 13,160 minus 18,424. And we have here 500 minus 700. Okay. So let's complete the requirements. The requirements are 1, the cost of the asset, that is the carrying value. Okay, the right retained, where's the row for retained? This is the row for retained. Okay, so the retained is 486, 4840. What is the right transfer? That is 13, no? 13,160. Ingat ka dun, ha? And the gain to be recognized. So, lost na to. Dito kasi gain, no? So, this is the total loss. Okay? This is the recognized loss. And this is the unrecognized loss. Okay? So, to complete, ito na yan. Dito ko na lang tingnan. So, 1, cost of the asset, 681. Right retained is 486. Right transferred is 13,160. Gain to be recognized. Recognized loss is 5,264. The not recognized is 194. and the total loss is 200,000. So that is your sale and leaseback. And we'll go back to item A. Mabilis lang ito. In item A class, this is not a sale. If there is no sale, okay, ang sabi ng concept, whatever be the transfer proceeds would be the finance lease liability of the lessee and the finance lease asset of the lessor. So ano ibig sabihin? There would just be a journal entry like this. Ito. Buyer lessor, meron siyang financial asset na 850,000. Si seller lessee, meron siyang financial liability na 850,000 equal to the transfer proceeds. And that is your lease. Okay? So, yan yung buong lease. Marami kasi yun eh. Matagal din sa undergrad, pero just the same, I want you to have the confidence over that. Just review the concept maps and the related shortcuts, and that's it. Okay? And that is your lease accounting, lessor, and okay, class? Salamat. See you. Good luck. Thank you.